Right, go on, I'll film you going in. Come on then, up you go, straight ahead. Right, wait there because I'll have to take you down the stairs, Connie.
Calling at Penrith
Stand here.
Glasgow Central. Platform 3 for the 16:55 purchase trains. Service to
Are you excited?
Glasgow Central.
They're coming.
Who's coming on this train?
Olivia. Olivia.
She'll be coming, that train will be coming in a minute. Here it comes.
1657 Virgin train service to London Euston via Birmingham and Midlands.
Stay here, stay next to me. Oh, you're very excited, aren't you? Oh, here it is. Can you see her at the door? Which way is she going to come from? She's going to come from up there or down there? She's up there, she's coming. She's up there. Come on, we'll walk and meet her. Come on. Hey, don't run. And look, there's Dawn and Storm. Yeah, I've just seen Auntie Jean. She said you were on it. Look, give her a big look.
Then Anna Jordan to bonfire.
Oh yes, we are. Are you excited?
Yeah.
What do we need to get on? Fireworks. What do we need to get on?
The gloves and hat.
And your...
What? Staff.
Yeah. Can you put that on? Try your best. Put it on. Do you need a hand?
Yeah.
It's not... It's a snood, not a...
It's food.
Right, we might have to pause. Wait, done? Too busy looking out, hearing all the fireworks going on. Right, what's next? Can you see some out the window? Oh, yes, we can. Oh, we're going to see a lot more than that, though.
Yeah.
Hat.
Yeah.
Ready, pause. Hat on.
Gloves.
What's next?
Gloves.
We'll do coat next.
Yeah.
Ready, steady, go. What else is left to get on now?
My gloves.
Your gloves.
Yeah.
Oh, she's all wrapped up. Right, glove time. Gloves all on. Give us a twirl then. Now you're ready for the bonfire. Thermals on. Everything on. Let's get sister ready then. We're ready to go. Where are we going?
A firework.
Talking to the fireworks. It's very dark and very cold.
Yeah.
But we're nearly there.
Yeah.
Connie is very excited. Come on, keep walking.
When the people do the...
See if we can get some better light.